Achieving high productivity and high quality are the foremost aspects for all the various fields of Japanese monozukuri. There is a need to deal with both mass production and high mix, low volume production in order to be able to satisfy such market requirements.
We at Shigiya ensure that there is smooth flow of information and proper connectivity within marketing, design and R&D, and production.
Such values, which were inherited since the founding of Shigiya, today have become the ideals and principles of Shigiya.
Grinding, usually the final process in parts manufacturing, requires very high accuracy. In order to make cylindrical grinding machines with high precision and high accuracy, each and every part of the grinding machine is required to be produced with precision. When it comes to procuring parts from outsourced suppliers, there is a huge concern with regard to the quality and parts management. Hence, Shigiya has adopted a system which enables integrated production of all core components. Hand scraping is one of the most important processes in producing sliding and contact surfaces. Good scraping is achieved by fine-tuning one's skills of hand scraping and by not depending on any technology but one's own hands. More so, our craftsmen are very specific about their tools and personally hand-pick them. And with such tools, each part is handmade with utmost care. The art of making the katana swords have been prevalent and famous in Japan. The heart and soul of the hand-scraping craftsmanship is similar to that of sword making and has been inherited since the founding of Shigiya. Furthermore, we continue to pursue high productivity by increasing the efficiency of the production line by means of digitalization, visualization, and a smart, efficient production management system. Great infrastructure, quality control, nowhere else in the world technical superiority, and a new production management system. All these come together to form our integrated production system.
Shigiya is not just built on traditional techniques and principles, but also places a strong emphasis on the development of new technology, new ideas, and innovation on an everyday basis.
Virtualization of research and development, design, system control, etc., resulting in acceleration and providing a breakthrough in all departmental processes. To cater to a wide range of customer requests and needs, Shigiya integrates core technology, digitalization, and modularity and ensures that continuous improvement happens at all stages. Shigiya's cylindrical grinding machines, which are a result of everyone's needs and desires, is currently and always has been a key global player in most manufacturing industries.
We at Shigiya aim to incorporate the networking of man and machine, man and technology, producer and consumer,
thereby creating an environment for the customer filled with value and opportunity. By answering all of our customers' needs, by producing high-precision grinding machines, by becoming the global leader in grinding technology.
We shall move forward together and forever.